What if your AI agent could answer complex questions, update records, and connect to external systems all through a simple conversation, without compromising security? This is what using MCP within the NextWorld platform makes possible. In this video, we introduce MCP, explain why developers use it to enable AI agents to securely access and modify application data, and walk through two practical examples that show MCP in action. Model Context Protocol, commonly known as MCP, is an open standard for AI integration. It enables developers to create secure, standardized connections between organizational data and AI agents such as Claude, ChatGPT, or Ed. When a user submits a prompt in Ed, the agent can connect to NextWorld's MCP server to retrieve data from a NextWorld application or from an external system through its MCP server. Likewise, external AI agents such as Claude or ChatGPT can securely access NextWorld application data through NextWorld's MCP server based on defined permissions. Once connected, users can submit prompts to an MCP-compatible agent to retrieve information, update existing records, or create new data. All actions occur within established security controls. Security is central to MCP's design. When an AI agent connects through MCP, it operates under the user's existing permissions. This means if a user cannot update inventory records directly within the application, they cannot update inventory records through the AI agent. MCP server enforces user-level access at all times. Integrating with MCP offers several advantages. First, MCP enables AI agents to perform real operations within an application, such as creating and updating records. For example, a warehouse manager might ask, "What is the total ordered quantity and number of order lines in the Denver warehouse for Q3? The agent retrieves the data and returns an immediate response. Second, any MCP-compatible AI agent can securely connect to NextWorld's MCP server. This allows users to access NextWorld data from outside the platform, while still operating within their assigned permissions. Third, AI agents can connect to multiple MCP servers simultaneously. This enables cross-application workflows through a single prompt. For example, a manager could create a service ticket, update a related record, and send a notification in one interaction. By connecting your applications to NextWorld's MCP server, you extend secure, governed data access to conversational AI. The result is faster insights, streamlined operations, and greater productivity without sacrificing control. Next, we look at a couple of examples. Sally works for a sports car dealership within a large family of dealerships. One afternoon, she's on the phone with a potential customer. He wants to schedule a test drive, and he's clear about one thing. It has to be a convertible. To help him choose the best car, Sally needs two answers. Which convertible models are available for a test drive? And which day next week will offer the best weather for driving with the top down? In the past, she would have signed into her dealership's inventory system, checked availability model by model, then opened a separate web browser to compare forecasts. It took time, and often meant calling the customer back. Now, she opens her dealership's scheduling system, which is powered by NextWorld, and starts a chat with Ed. She types a single request: what convertible models are available for a test drive, and what day next week will have the best weather for a drive. Behind the scenes, Ed connects to NextWorld's MCP server. The MCP server verifies Sally's security permissions, connects to the sports car dealership's inventory application, retrieves current inventory, and filters for available convertibles. It does not access inventory from other dealerships in the family because Sally doesn't have permission to view that data. At the same time, Nextworld's MCP server connects to Google Weather's MCP server and identifies the sunniest day next week. Within moments, Sally has everything she needs, available models and the ideal test drive day. Instead of researching and returning Joe's call, she discusses options with him in real time and books the appointment before the conversation ends. In our second example, Mary manages the service departments across the family of dealerships. She needs a clear view of how frequently oil change supplies are reordered, broken down by dealership. Instead of running multiple reports, Mary opens her preferred chat agent and submits her request, along with a link to the Nextworld inventory application. The agent connects to Nextworld's MCP server, verifies her permissions, and retrieves the data within her authorized access. Within moments, Mary has a complete, actionable view of reorder trends by dealership. To review, Model Context Protocol, MCP, is an open standard for AI integration. Nextworld's MCP server provides a secure, standardized connection between application data and AI agents such as Claude, ChatGPT, and Ed. And it adheres to Nextworld's security protocols and supports operational actions. The result is faster insights, streamlined operations, and greater productivity without sacrificing control. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. To learn more about this topic, please refer to Nextworld Help.